All the video you're about to see was taken with this Roxant stabilizer. I don't know if it's a Roxant made by Roxant, but it's a look-alike, and it works just as well. I got it perfectly balanced, just the way I like it. From what I can see, it shoots pretty good walk and talk video, and I have this little knob here that I use to tighten it down with, but I never have to tighten it down except to unscrew the handle. I leave it loose, and the key to this is getting it perfectly balanced. If you're perfectly balanced, it works well. And one of the things I've noticed about this particular stabilizer that will really help you when you walk with your camcorder is if you hold your arm out. Now I know it's heavy to do that. It feels heavy to do that, but it absorbs the shock of the walk. So when you start to walk, okay, you hold it, you go out with it like this, okay, and you keep your arm out while you're walking, okay. Now when you get to where you're going, you can bring it in, and then you can maneuver it around, okay, to get what you want to shoot. You're okay there. But when you start to walk, just take it and extend it out just like this, okay, and that works the best. I paid less than $20 for this. It's, like I said, it's very finely balanced, and I got it just right. And if you take the time, it'll work for you. I only have one weight on it that I've actually shaved down. I've taken some of the weight that they give you, and I've made it even lighter by putting holes in it. As you can see, there's holes in it right there, and that's to match the weight of the camcorder. You don't want a lot of weight down here because it'll swing back and forth when you walk. You want just enough weight to keep the camera upright and the weight's down, and you hold your arm out like this and walk, and it'll give you a pretty good stable video. And that's what all the video was taken today. I took all the video today with this Roxant or Roxant look-alike stabilizer. Very inexpensive, like I said, $20 or less. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. It's been fun making it. Alright, we're here today at Soledad Canyon. Got bored after a big lunch. Decided we'd come up here and walk it off. So, what do you think of your hike today?
Oh, it's going to be really nice because it's got a little breeze.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be a good hike. At least, you know, just have a little bit of fun. And
a little bit of exercise for today, huh?
Exercise. You'll find something that I might like to photograph.
Let's take a look at that. Yeah, that's a pretty one, isn't it? Look at the pink on that.
Oh, yeah. These Apache plumes are ready to kind of...
Because I'm getting sun on my limbs.
Okay. So go to the right.